So where are we going now? So where are we going now?
Cat Cafe.
I've been dying to come to this place. Finally, I'm here in Cat Cafe.
There were around 15 or 16 cats in this cafe, and none of them liked me. Or maybe they just didn't want to be bothered. Well, this cat looks exactly like me in the morning after I wake up.
Here's my tiramisu in Cat Cafe. And a cutie cat next to me. I'm super hungry right now and I'm waiting for my food in this beautiful restaurant. This restaurant is such a vibe.
I'm sorry, but I had to do this. It felt like I was walking down this palace staircase and it was amazing, but it was also embarrassing because trust me, there were like 20 people watching me come down the stairs. It was hilarious.
It's -10 right now. And behind is the beautiful Christmas tree. Hi again. This is my third coffee of the day. I'm tired as hell. Probably I look tired. But coffee makes everything better.